I turned Tic Tac Toe into a full arcade style game on ESP32-P4, and honestly, it's completely overkill. It has animated boot sequences, it has particle effects, sound effects, dynamic themes, touch controls, and a full LVGL interface running on a 10.1-inch 1024 by 600 touch panel display. Everything's running directly on ESP32-P4 with built-in support for audio, USB, PSRAM, and SD card storage. Elecrow actually sent over this ESP32 display panel at no charge for a review, and I'll leave the link in the description, the product link, if you're interested in one. Instead of piling on extra modules and sensors right away, I wanted to see what the display could do on its own, so I came up with this absurdly over-engineered, over-programmed tic-tac-toe game. Some of the effects include a logo graphic that falls onto the game board, followed by a theme song that's played only when the game is started or reset. Sound effects when tapping a square and when you win. There's one of two songs that plays after each win until the next game begins. If you double tap a square, you get a buzzer. Score is kept in the top left of the screen, right above the volume control, among other effects that you may have noticed in this game. For game sound effects, you can go to freesound.org and download all kinds of different sound effects. Just remember to include the attribution if that's required. Once you get your audio file, you need to make sure it's a WAV file, and you can change it to a WAV file using Audacity. Now, you also, when you export it, you need to make sure that it is in stereo, 16 kilohertz sample rate, and the encoding is 16-bit. Audacity is open source, so you don't have to worry about paying for it. Just go to audacityteam.org to download it. Overall, I'm really impressed with this display, and I think it's a great platform for the ESP32-P4 projects. It also came with some extra modules that I'll be checking out in the future videos, so there's definitely going to be more coming soon. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, subscribe to the email list. That is where I send out all the code and program files. It's worked really well for us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again with another video.